Hey y'all, it's just me, Robin, and today I am participating in the bold, the blue, and the beautiful Tablescape Challenge being hosted by Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It, and her co-host Marilyn of Fabulous Designs on a Budget, and Elle of Easy Living with Elle. In this challenge, we were to create a tablescape using blue as the somewhere as the main color, but you had free reign to do it however you wanted. It was to be uploaded by May the 27th at 8 o'clock a.m. I will list the host and co-host channels as well as the playlist in the description box below. Please go by and check out these lovely ladies' channels. They have wonderful content on tablescapes, home decor, thrifting, DIYs, designing on a budget to make it look like $1,000,000. And if you're not a member of my family, please, I would like for you to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can be alerted to when I upload new videos. And also like, share, and comment. So this was a no-spin challenge for me. I just shopped my stash and used what I had. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I had fun creating this tablescape, and I want to thank Tammy, Marilyn, and Elle for hosting this challenge. I'm gonna stop talking and you guys enjoy. Each of the place settings is the same. The dessert bowl and the bread plates are a set. The salad plate and the salad plate or appetizer plate and the dinner plates are a set, but each of the salad appetizer plates is different. The dinner plates are the same. I got them from TJ Maxx or Marshalls several years ago. The dessert bowl and the bread plate are from Hobby Lobby. I got those several years ago. The charger plates I got at the thrift store. And they came, I think it's like 10 of them. And then I also got dinner plates that came with them. They're a real pretty royal bluish color that's kind of frosted. I don't know how to describe it, but I think I paid like $5 for the set of 10 charger plates and 10 dinner plates. The glass, blue wine glasses are from Dollar Tree. The flowers are, the orchids in the centerpiece are from, I believe, Hobby Lobby. Gold cutout placemats are purchased 2 sets of 4 from Ross. So in the next few pictures, I changed up the centerpiece to show you how you can get a different feel. In this one, I used a gold mosaic glass lantern. I kept the 2 candles the same. The next one, I found a blue Eiffel Tower bottle, and I used that in the centerpiece, and it's on a gold glass pedestal. And then this picture, I used 3 graduated size candle pedestals. And then this is the bold and the beautiful. I used 2 very tall candle pedestals that have an ombre effect from really navy blue to silver and gold at the bottom. And then the middle pedestal is smaller. And I used some Dollar Tree candle holders. So thank you guys for stopping by. I really appreciate it. New and old subscribers. You guys take care, be blessed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.